Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hifimax. We have some friends want to buy the model with the built-in 316 camera system. In this video, I want to show you the details for the wire connections and others. This is the BMW Android screen. You can see. When you order the model with these functions, we need to use different board to make the models because this function is optional functions. We need to use different board to make it. After that, you will see the apps here. For now, I don't connect the camera, so you cannot see the image here. After that, we will offer the backup camera here. Now, let me show you the details. These two cameras, here, is the side camera, left and right. And these two cameras, square tie here, square tie, is the front and rear here, front and rear. And a tooth and a blanket like this. This blanket is for rear camera. Okay, and they have 4 connections for each camera, and this cable connect to the back of the Android screen. This one here. These 4 groups connect to each group. They have the color to identify which one. Okay, so that's quite easy. And this the button, debug close. That's very big. So when you order the 316 cameras, the additional cost is 100, but because this debug close is very big, it costs about $30 as additional shipping cost. Because you can see, this is just a small box. I cannot put the clothes inside. That way, the shipping cost is much more expensive. Here, there's 2 square tie like this. They are rear and front camera. There are no difference on the camera. Here, you can use one of them as rear or front camera, then will be okay. Okay, and these 2 cameras, it looks like this. They are left and right camera. Also no difference for the camera types. Okay, here the first thing. And the second is, for example, I want to, this one is right side camera. So I connect the right side here. Connect to this one here. Connect it and install to the right side, right? And this cable, you can see the same color. Okay, connect together. This have 2 cables. Please remember, don't connect it. Why have this design? Because this camera system can talk as a universal 360 camera. That is for other car types also okay. So it have designed this. But for our BMW Android screen, the camera system work by CAN system. It don't work by this. So you don't need to connect it. Okay? Remember this. Remember this. The other are the same. Just connect like this. This is the front camera here. You can see the black color, and This the left side connect together one by one, then will be fine. The last step is to have a debug for the cameras to integrate 4 cameras to one picture. I will show you a video about this.